If you don't like baked chicken wings, child, this recipe is going to change your mind. Today in the Glam Kitchen, we are going to make Southern style baked chicken wings. Welcome to the Glam Kitchen. My name is Shantae, and I help you make top tier meals at home. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. All ingredients and instructions are listed at the link in the description box below. Now let's get you cooking. I'm starting off with 3 pounds of chicken wings that have been cleaned. Y'all know I like to clean my chicken. Important tip, make sure they are pat dry. Add seasoned salt, Badia complete seasoning. I love this stuff. I'm biased though. Add some paprika. To me, this gives the chicken color. I cook with paprika a lot for that reason. Then we're adding some garlic powder. Y'all know I use garlic powder in like every recipe. Rosemary, you can use dried or fresh, whatever you have on hand. Thyme, also, if you have fresh, if you have dry, whatever you have, works fine. Add some Worcestershire sauce. And finally, some extra virgin olive oil. This is a good time to preheat your oven. Make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then as you can see, we're gonna mix these chicken wings up until they are evenly coated with our seasonings. Don't rush in this part. Make sure again that you're really working that seasoning into all of the chicken wings, all of the little crevices, because again, we are making some well-seasoned baked chicken. So take your time. As you can see here, I'm going wing by wing and I am getting these wings together. Again, please make sure that you are preheating your oven to 375 degrees because that is the heat that we are gonna bake these chicken wings at. So our wings are well seasoned. Now we're going to put these wings in a deep oven safe baking dish. We're gonna lay them out just like this. Then we're gonna add some sliced onion. I used a half of a small onion. We're then gonna add about half of a small green bell pepper and then half of a small red bell pepper. As you can see here, we have our seasoned chicken wings topped with our onion and bell peppers. And now I want you to add the 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Again, you're gonna top this with 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Is it really a Southern recipe if it doesn't have butter? Okay, she is ready for the oven. We are gonna bake her for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Please make sure you're basting your chicken every 20 minutes. Again, we're gonna make sure we are basting our chicken so that it is nice and juicy every 20 minutes. A lot of people always ask me, do you cook your chicken covered or uncovered? Honestly, y'all, I always make my chicken uncovered. The trick to maintaining juicy chicken is just making sure that while it's cooking uncovered, that you're basting the chicken. When I baste my chicken, it comes out juicy and it has a beautiful color without me having to use foil. And just like that, our juicy, well-seasoned baked chicken is done. Do y'all see this? OMG. This is definitely going to be one of your new favorite chicken wing recipes that you can use year round. If you watched the video up to this point, you are a real one and I thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. And a bonus, tell me what you're going to make as sides to this chicken. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.